In this video, we'll be exploring the EventPro360 reporting features, which are found by going to the menu on the left side of the screen and clicking on Manage Events. It will take a moment for the page to load while it gathers information from every event in your system. This page has three sections that can be toggled on and off: Filters, Calculators, and the Event List. We'll start by demonstrating how Filters and the Event List work. The event list shows a list of all events that meet the criteria specified in the filters. For example, let's say you want to take a closer look at your golf outing business for the month of October. In this example, we're looking at a company with 3 facilities, so we'll select just one of the facilities. Next, we'll set the date filter to include the month of October, and then we'll select golf outings from the event type filter. Let's elect to show only booked and completed events at this time. We now have a report showing our 5 golf outings that are occurring in the month of October. If desired, the event list can be filtered even further by event source, clubhouse room use, golf course use, number of guests, and more. Now that we have the filters set how we want them, it's time to customize the data that's being reported in the event list. This is achieved by selecting which columns should be displayed from the menu on the left side of the screen. There are currently several financial columns being displayed. Let's uncheck a few of those, but leave the golf revenue and food and beverage revenue columns activated. Let's say we want to display the marketing source that each event came from, the date that each event was first created in EventPro360, the date each event became booked, the starting time for each event, and the T format for each event. We now have our customized report, which can be printed using the print function in any internet browser. Reports can also be exported to Microsoft Excel by clicking the Export button and following the prompts. Back on the Manage Events page, we can also display the calculator, which is especially useful for forecasting revenues. Let's adjust our filters to include all event statuses for forecasting. The calculator shows the total number of guests from events in each of our statuses for events that meet the filter criteria that's specified above. In this example, we're forecasting that we'll secure 20% of all leads, 40% of all proposals, 80% of all contracts sent, and 90% of all booked guests. These forecasts are used to project our total number of guests that we'll actually achieve, along with the revenue projections by category, total revenue, and dollars per guest. In order to see dollars per guest for a specific revenue category, such as food and beverage, we can hide the other revenue categories. Now we're seeing a forecast of golf outing, food and beverage revenue only. Clicking the lost or canceled checkboxes will show any events whose business was lost, meaning they went elsewhere, or canceled, meaning the event was canceled altogether and did not occur anywhere. It's a good practice to review lost and canceled events from time to time, as they can be a source of future business. Lost and canceled events can be opened, reviewed, and then copied to a future date as a lead for follow-up. Thank you for taking time to learn more about the reporting capabilities of EventPro360. Please don't hesitate to contact us by phone or email with any questions.